Jocelyn present Prokaryotes and Eukaryotes. Prokaryotes have a very simple structure, causing them to reproduce quickly. You can get the structure from the name prokaryote, pro meaning before and kary meaning nucleus. Therefore, it's before the nucleus, or in other words, without nucleus. Photosynthesis first evolved in prokaryotic organisms. Scientific evidence suggests that prokaryotic photosynthesis was responsible for the oxygenated atmosphere. Prokaryotic photosynthesis pathways were the foundation for eukaryotic photosynthesis. Here's an example of how bacteria created the oxygenated atmosphere. It takes in H2O, CO2, and sunlight to release oxygen. This is photosynthesis in bacteria.
Prokaryote characteristics. They have a cell membrane,
Are multicellular.
have no nucleus, don't enclose DNA in the nuclei, no membrane-bound organelles, and an example of a prokaryote would be bacteria!
Bacteria contains flagella. Flagella helps it move around. Now it contains DNA outside of the nucleus, which tends to coil together. It also has ribosomes. Ribosomes are smaller in prokaryotes than they are in eukaryotes, as shown in the image. You can find the structure of a eukaryotic cell by looking at the name. Eu means true and kary means nucleus. Therefore, eukaryote means true nucleus, or true constructed nucleus. They also evolved from prokaryotes that have multiple linear chromosomes. Here shown in red is the bacterial chromosome, which is a ring or circular, whereas blue, eukaryotes are linear.
Eukaryote characteristics. They contain a nucleus and a cell membrane, enclose DNA in nuclei, and have membrane-bound organelles. An example of a eukaryote would be plants and animals.
Conserved core elements in a eukaryote provide evidence for evolution. Internal membranes partition a cell into specialized regions that allow the cell process to operate with optimal efficiency. They do this by increasing surface area when a reaction can occur, and they minimize conflict within the cell. Here's the nucleus where DNA is enclosed, and here are examples of membrane-bound organelles that are not in prokaryotes, such as the mitochondria, the lysosome, the Golgi apparatus, and the endoplasmic reticulum.
Created using Powtoon.